So guys, in today's world, Apple hands down has been dominating the tablet industry, so much so that Samsung probably is the only company left who makes decent tablets. Apple's dominance has forced out competition and Samsung is just hanging because they have a massive infrastructure. That's why they will keep making them even if they don't sell in large quantities. And today we have the latest of Samsung's tablet. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for leaks and also to my second channel for dedicated reviews, the link to which is present in the description and here in the iCards. So now let's talk about the nonsense part, which is the name, as some reports suggest that Samsung might name it Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Lite. I mean, plus and light in a same name don't fit together. It's like iPhone 12 mini max. Nonsensical. It will only make sense if there are two sizes, and even then they have to put the plus after the light, not before it. But if there is just one size and they call it the Tab S7 Plus Lite, that would be super idiotic. Now onto the product itself. It has a 12.4 inches display with a resolution of 1600 x 2560, but the thing is that it is a LCD display, so this is clearly a step down from the regular Tab S7 which has an OLED display. The bezels are super slim, as slim as they should be on a tab, while also leaving the space for holding the device, and the selfie camera of 8 megapixel is present in the landscape orientation. From the back we have a similar setup as the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which includes dual cameras, a magnetic place to secure the S Pen, and then the branding including Samsung and AKG logos. Other than that, this is a very clear and minimalistic look. We then have top and bottom speakers with the USB-C slot on the bottom. The tablet will be made available in 5 colors including black, blue, silver, green and pink. The case also has the space to securely hold the S Pen, because if you have the case then the back space is a little bit robbed. Now coming to the important bits, which are the specs. The Tab S7 Lite will come with a Snapdragon 750G and 4GB of RAM, which is not flagship in any sense. This is very much a mid-range processor which Samsung has decided to use on the Tab S7 Lite. If I may refresh your memory, the Galaxy Tab S7 and the S7 Plus uses Snapdragon Qualcomm 865 Plus, which meant that they are truly Samsung flagship tablets, and this clearly is a mid-range tab, so this is also why the Tab S7 Plus Lite won't make any sense. The new Tab S7 Lite comes in 3 models including Wi-Fi only, 4G version and the 5G version, and all of them sport 44V of fast wired charging, but the charger which will come free inside the box is only of 15V, which is still better than not having it at all. The tab is expected to be announced sometime in June, maybe alongside the S21 Fan Edition and the Fold Flip Duo. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Tab S7 Lite. It is very good that Samsung keeps making them for the Android fans, and Samsung's tablet do have a couple of features over the iPad like the DeX, but realistically challenging the iPad would be really tough. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, link of which is present in the video description. And with that being said guys, thanks for watching.